Greetings, Green Thumb Gardening family. And as the sun begins to rise here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel here in Grow Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia, just a quick peek at the morning glories that we're currently growing on the mound in our front yard garden extended grow area. Take a look at this, YouTube. Take a look at these glorious morning glories, guys. We have a mound, YouTube, a mound of these morning glories out here that are part of our Pennington hummingbird and butterfly wildflower garden seed mixture that we planted out here on this mound earlier this year, YouTube. A lot of the other flowers have run their course here already on the mound in our front yard garden extended grow area, but our morning glories are nonetheless, YouTube, they are nonetheless still looking glorious here in our front yard garden extended grow area here on the mound. Aren't they lovely? Thanks for watching, YouTube. And if indeed you currently are watching this video on growing morning glories on the mound in our front yard garden extended grow area, you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening channel, please indeed take this moment to put that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure, YouTube, be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Thanks for watching.